How to fix Snapchat adding friends problem on your Snapchat. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So first guys, you will just go to the settings of your phone and you will open it, and then you will go to apps or application. Then it's, as you see, it's loading, it's searching for the application that you have on your phone. And when you see here like all your application that you have in your phone, you will search for Snapchat, and when you found it, just open it like this, and here go to storage, then go to clear data, then click OK and back again, and go click on force stop and click OK and back again to Play Store and update Snapchat again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.